Set includes 6 sizes in various colors. Great for serving, prep and baking. Made of durable melamine. Dishwasher safe, top rack, but not microwave safe. They are lighter than ceramic but ever so tough. Top reviews from the United States. They are so colorful and cute. Okay, I got these to replace our metal bowls that sit in a stand for our cats, that way I could change them out every day. But they are too small for the metal stands, they just drop all the way through. But that is okay. They are sturdy and they are wonderful for condiments like sauces, ketchups and ranch, etc. Which is what we are now using them for. I would like to know if you make bigger sizes? If so, how big, and if they are available for purchase. The amount paid was reasonable and they came in a cute plastic container that I am using to hold other things. They are very pretty colors, although I would like to see more Kelly green in more products. I would buy again for gifts. They arrived at a timely manner. I love them a lot. And I would recommend this seller. Thank you very much.